Hey there, medical fans. Got a question for you today. Does YouTube hate zits? Well, we know the viewers love them. There are hundreds of millions of views of blackheads and whiteheads being popped. Stuff like this. Take a look. Lately though, videos with popping have been losing monetization, becoming age restricted, and getting filtered out by Safe Search. In some cases, small channels featuring pimple popping have disappeared completely, or been demonetized. Larger channels have survived, but it's unclear how exactly they've been affected. A lot of this content is educational and doesn't violate any of YouTube's community guidelines. But many of these videos are deemed not advertiser friendly anyways. If this trend continues, people will stop posting new pimple videos because there will be little incentive to do so. Which is a shame, because these videos are harmless, although a little weird. Well, what do you think? Has YouTube gone too far in trying to make content advertiser friendly? Comment below. Click like for pimples. We'd hate to see this scene shrivel up and die. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep this pimple scene going. We have new content all the time. And we'll see you next time.